Yo guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In this video we are gonna unbox the Seiko Prospex SPB183 G1 Captain Willard. This watch is an anniversary model. This watch is also made for the 55th anniversary of Seiko's involvement in dive watches. This watch is based on a very cool reinterpretation of the Captain Willard watch introduced earlier this year under the reference SPB151 and SPB153. These watches are all based on the Seiko 6105, the so-called turtle watch. This watch has a steel case with a diameter of 42.7mm with a super hard coating and solid construction with 200 meters water resistance. In the box is also a blue silicone strap included. This strap has a width of 20mm. And this watch is limited to 5,500 pieces. Because it is a diver, it also has a rotating bezel. The case is 13.2mm thick and the glass is made of curved sapphire crystal. The watch has a beautiful movement, the 6R35, which means the watch has a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. The retail price is €1,450. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let us know in the comments what you think about this watch. If you're still interested in this watch, the link is in the description.